Hello traders, I hope guys you're enjoying today. Let me share with you how we managed decent profit on 24th of November, Friday 2023. Let me share with you on Euro USD. As you can see in 4 hour, that's we had discussed yesterday. We were looking breakout at this area point of interest. So yesterday the market nicely broken, beautiful, and the first target was this level, which we amazing bank, amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in intraday. That's the key important thing is, as you can see, a pretty straightforward based on the 4 hour. We were expecting this breakout as soon as the market broken at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now high probability possibility of long, even if you look at the market broken and retest, and that's what I explained my trader. Enjoy the pullback long, and even after that, as I explained guys, you can add another one more trade here. As you can see, momentum was bullish, market nicely broken. After the breakout, market retest again. So that was a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the market hit to the profit target in 4 hour, based on that, that's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy amazing profit on Euro USD. You want to see those analyses in real time with the full explanation? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.